Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming power and collecting tools so you can act without interruption. First, make sure the headset shows any LED response. That tells you if charging or battery is the issue. Once done, remove ear tips and pads to reveal screws and seams, and use a spudger to pry gently. This prevents plastic cracking. You do this because visible clues guide whether you need a battery swap, a loose connector fix, or a deeper board inspection. Next, you open the shell and document component placement so reassembly is simple. Use a multimeter. Battery should read near its rated voltage, speakers show continuity, and switches toggle cleanly. This tells you whether to replace the battery, driver, or clean contacts. Once you identify a faulty solder joint or broken flex cable, heat and reflow or replace parts. Make precise, minimal soldering to avoid melting nearby plastics, and always test functionality before snapping the casing back together. You finish by reassembling carefully, aligning clips and tightening screws evenly so the shell seats correctly. This prevents future stress cracks. Once assembled, charge to full, pair with your device and run playback and microphone tests while walking away to check range. This confirms Bluetooth radio and antenna are intact. If problems persist, try a factory reset, check for firmware updates, or swap the suspected module. Doing these steps, isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.